The Hawk and the Nightingale. On a pleasant evening in spring, the breeze was blowing gently. The cool weather made a nightingale very happy. She flew to a high branch of a tree and sat on it. As the breeze blew, her heart filled with joy, and soon she began singing. Her sweet song resounded all ground. All the birds and animals around the tree were busy enjoying her sweet song. A hungry hawk was flying past. He heard the song and looked around. He spotted the nightingale, flew down and caught her in his claws. But the nightingale said, "What is the use of eating a small bird like me? Let me go. A strong and able hunter can surely get a larger prey sometime later." The hawk said, "Do you think I am a fool? I cannot let go of food when I am hungry. There is no surety that I will get some prey. Why should I let go of a golden chance now, thinking of what I might get tomorrow?" So the intelligent hawk quickly ate up the little bird and flew away. Thank you so much.